just because was distracting. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today I am back with yet another product empties video. I know, it's not been so long that I have posted the previous one, but that was shot somewhere around December or January. It was just me being lazy and I did not edit it in time, so it got posted late. And now, in this 4 months of span, I do have another set of empty products, and I thought, why not review it with you guys before I throw off these empty bottles. While talking about these products, I'm also going to let you all know if I'm going to repurchase the product or I'm going to skip on. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start with the first product, and that is going to be the hyaluronic acid serum from The Ordinary. Now, this is one of the first serums that I have started using, and it gives good results. This was my savior when I had a dehydrated skin. But now that I have some knowledge about my own skin and all the skincare products that I own, I know they are hydrating enough, so I can skip on this one. But if you are someone who is just starting up with skincare and want to introduce some serums in your daily routine, you can definitely opt for some hyaluronic acid serums. And yeah, this one from Ordinary is really a good one. Not a good start, but let's continue. Next serum is from Deconstruct. This is the vitamin C serum that I have got. I like the results of this one, but what I did not like is the packaging. It really gets messy with these kind of pumps when the product is going to be liquid. So just because of the packaging and the mess it creates, I don't like these kind of things. I want my products to look clean, and just because of that reason, I'm out. But results were good. I don't like when things get messy like this, and especially when it's skincare, I really want everything to be clean. Next up is this niacinamide serum from Plum. It has 5% niacinamide. It's a good serum. Now, anything that doesn't give me any breakouts is a good product for me, and if I'm getting results out of the product, that product is the best for me. And this one is a good product. It did not cause any breakouts, and it did not give any significant results as well compared to other niacinamide serums that I have used. So I'm going to skip on this one. But if you are someone who is looking for a niacinamide serum to just begin with, this one can be your option. Ever since I have got this cleansing balm, I have stopped using micellar water. This is really good. It does not irritate my skin. I can remove the mascara very easily and I like it. I don't know if everyone can relate to the mascara thing, or maybe someone does have watery eyes after using this. But for me, it has worked wonders and I haven't stopped using ever since. I still have some product left, but I don't know when this would be making it to the video, and hence I wanted to share it with you all that this is a good purchase. It feels expensive, but it lasts very long, so it's even. It's really good product. I love this product and I'm going to repurchase it for sure. Oh, finally we have something that I'm going to repurchase. Another product from Plum, and I really thought this was going to give me very nice results because it has rice water in it and it also has 3% niacinamide, but this toner just felt like water. It didn't do anything on my skin, so clearly I'm going to skip it. I have used it though. It just has a little bit left because I have purchased it. I didn't want to waste it at all. Now I have a lip balm from Hyphen. I don't know why people are hating on this product. It is a bit thick, but if you use it in small quantity, it is good as a lip balm, and at night you can use it as a lip mask, and it's really wonderful. Like for this price and the quantity you get, I am amazed by it. Trust me when I say this, I literally thought this was completely over, and I purchased a new one, and this is still lying. If you see, the packaging is still there. I haven't removed this out yet, and I'm squeezing this bottle to death. And every night I think, like, if it's over today, I'll open the new one. But you see, this literally feels empty, but I still get some product out. I'm just happy about it, but yes, I love this product so much. I'm never going to stop using it because it has also helped me with my pigmentation. And what else do I want? No matter how much people are going to hate on this one, I love it. So definitely a good purchase, budget friendly purchase. And I have also used the Laneige one, but I really think this is much affordable and nice one. we have two back-to-back products that I'm going to purchase. So I'm going to keep this streak going and introduce you to the third product that I'm going to repurchase always, and that is this Wishcare hair growth serum. I have used I have used this completely. I love this one. You see this baby hair on my forehead? It's because of this. I love this serum. Now, I found it expensive in the first place, but I purchased the first bottle during the sale and I got it for half the price. So I was happy with this purchase, and I still had some product left in this bottle, and there was another sale and I purchased a new one, and I am going to keep repurchasing this product. Make sure you do not use these kind of serums when your hair is greasy or oily, because your scalp is not going to absorb this product and it's just going to be the waste of the product. So that's the tip I follow and giving it to you guys as well.
Okay.
There is one another hair care product that I'm going to keep repurchasing, and that is this serum from L'Oreal, and I love it so much. This one is emptied and I already have a new one. I got it in the smaller size before because I wanted to try it out. But again, I got it in smaller size given how much I need and how long it lasts. So yeah, and buying it in small size also makes it budget friendly. So I still have a couple of products, not a couple, I still have so many products left. And I think the video is going too long, so I'll just wrap it up fast. Lastly, I have kept a few products that are from two of my favorite brands, and I literally wanted to emphasize more on them. So let's start. And let's start with Dot and Key. This is vitamin C plus E and has SPF 30. And this one is in the shade Cocoa Mint. I did not see any good difference with this one. It's just a normal lip balm, and it's not even something that stays for a very long time. I love Dot and Key as a brand. I have so many products from this brand that I can make a separate video on Dot and Key products that I own. But this is something that I'm not going to repurchase. The most favorite products from Dot and Key, I have never stopped using them. And these are the products that I always have in stock with me. The first is this Dot and Key 10% niacinamide. This is my favorite product. You know, this is one of those products that I have liked in the first use itself. Same goes with this one. It is their ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier repair face cream. This moisturizer is gold, and this one as well. These two products together are wonderful, and even when I use these two products separately with other products, they literally keep my skin very soothing and calm. So I love this product so much. I always have had these two products in stock with me, but this time I don't have. They are almost over, and because I'm going to try another brand this time, I'm going to skip on this one. And the products that I have purchased in replacement of this one don't work. I'm going back to these products. More to tell you about these products. If I'm using any new skincare product into my routine, I always make sure to use either one of these so that the damage is being repaired, or just have this in stock so that the next day onwards I can use this one and this can easily fix my skin. So I literally love this product so much. If you're someone who is looking to start with skincare but just don't know what to buy, literally Dot and Key is your savior. I love this product, and irrespective of your skin type, this has worked. These two products have worked on everyone's skin in my home. So best products. I can just keep talking about this, but we have to move on to my next favorite brand, and that is Aqualogica. Let's start with the toning mist. This has a fragrance. If you are fine with fragrance, and it's actually a refreshing fragrance, I love the fragrance of it. I have no complaints about it. This is a good product. This is my first ever toner that I have used completely. Because I have another set of skincare products that I want to use, I'm going to skip on this one. Next up is this moisturizer. I have used it completely. I love the product, and this was really good in the winters because your skin gets dry, and this is a thick product. So I used it in the nighttime skincare routine, and it was the best. So I loved it, but because it's summers, I'm going to skip on this one. Now, let me tell you all this thing. I really think Aqualogica needs someone who can give them better pumps and better droppers. Because next three products that I have, I am solely not going to purchase them because they do not have good pumps. no matter how much I love the brand and the products in itself because they give tremendous good results, I am not going to repurchase them. Instead, I know instead of these Aqualogica products, I can always go back to Dot and Key and they are going to give me the same results. Let me start with the worst one. This is Dewdrops. If you see, this packaging is so bad. The product have literally come out, the dropper, and it still has so much of product left. I don't like it. Dropper here is good, it works all good, but if you see this part, I don't know where this leakage is coming from. Also, I purchased this one because I thought it was something similar to the niacinamide drops by Glow Recipe, but this is not that. I don't think it is a skincare product. It's more like the primer, and I don't think this was even useful. This is the worst purchase from Aqualogica till date. And even if you are looking for something like this that can be used before your makeup for that glow on your skin, you definitely have better options like the Hello Glow liquid filter that is amazing with the tint as well, with some coverage as well, and also the K Beauty ones are beautiful. And the last two products, again, the packaging is so bad. These two products were purchased together and the droppers were so bad. I don't know what these droppers, how they were leaking. That whole of my skincare section was really messed up just because of these two. Apart from the packaging, this niacinamide serum is good with a bit of fragrance that I'm not a big fan of. It was really weird. I personally am not going to purchase this serum again. Instead, Dot and Key one is the best serum, and if you are looking for less percentage of niacinamide, the Plum one is also better option. And the last product, I'm still using it though. I still have a bit of product left and I'm using it like this. I take some product on this tube and that is how I use it. Very unhygienic way to use skincare, but that is how I use because this does not work. Does not work at all. I love this moisturizer as a part of my skincare, but my trust issues are so bad that if this one is not working, none of them is working for me. So I'm not going to buy this product again. That was the last product that I had, and I didn't think it was going to be this long, but thank you for being here. I hope I am being helpful to you guys in some or the other way. Also, like I mentioned, even though there are a few products that I literally love, but I'm going to replace them with the new ones this time and are from different brands. So in the next video, I'm going to do a haul of those products that I have purchased recently to replace these products. And if that interests you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye.